Let's learn about the setup and function of requester details. We began our implementation by allowing users to log in with a generic requester user account and fill in their contact information on the request page. This led to inaccurate or incomplete contact details. This was having a negative impact on notifications going back to them and us being able to communicate with them in regards to the requested activity. To solve this problem, we created an employee record and a requester user account for each requester that will be logging into the system. That way, the email address, contact information, and other details are on the employee record, so that when the user logs in with the requester user account, this information will follow over to any maintenance requests or work orders. This is the generic user account they were logging in with to submit requests. Contrast that with an individualized requester user account, and you can see the difference. We've given some examples of information that you can enter here. We've given this user shift, supervisor, city, state, email, phone numbers, as well as an address. Under the Accounts section is where we would establish the login name, the password, and the requester user group that this requester will be logging in with. Now when this user submits requests, this information will follow over to the request record. In our previous request, you'll notice that there was no information listed in the requester details. Now that we've been able to individualize those accounts, when we submit requests, you'll now see that more information has followed over automatically to the maintenance request record, including the requester email, which is populated here. Having an email address will allow us to enable notifications as well as contact the user in regards to the requested activity. The requester details follow as well for managers or supervisors to get more insight into the user who initiated the request. For questions on this topic or any other topic, please email us at support@mpulsesoftware.com or give us a call at 800-944-1796.